Respected Chief Guest, District Governor Gopalji Mandania, First Lady Simaji, AG Rakesh Mishra ji, IPP Dr. Sanjay Dange, Secretary Mayur, Incoming Secretary Amit, district dignitaries, my co-president, Palghar Taluka District Educational Officer Rajesh Kankal sir, Inner Wheel President Shanti and members, Rotary Club President Tanvi and members, President and members of Suryavanshi Kshatriya Samaj Mandal, President of Palghar District Tax Practitioners Association Suresh Bhandari sir, all reporters, my fellow Rotarians, my friend, my beloved family members, invited guests, and dear children, a very warm welcome and good afternoon to you. By the grace of God and the blessing of all of you, today I have got the opportunity to serve the community as Pratham President of Rotary Club of Palghar. The enthusiasm, dedication and affection between all our Rotary families are the real strength of our club. I really admire all our chartered members and past president, as each one of them has endeavored to rise the club to higher and higher level year by year. Like all the past golden years of our club, this year also, with the same wholehearted support from each member, we shall successfully have another golden Rotary year. I am very proud to be a member of Rotary Club of Palghar. Past RI President W.J. Wilkinson very amply says that the magic of Rotary is that it allows ordinary people to do extraordinary things. Friends, I believe that we are blessed to be the part of this wonderful organization of the world. Being Rotarian is an opportunity to carry on the spirit of strengthening relationship and commitment of serving humanity. Rotary gives us the most organized working system. It opened the path to touch the heart of thousands by doing noble work of community service. Friends, give your heart to Rotary and you will get a pure, satisfied and supreme soul in return. It's our pride to have such energetic and innovative DG Rotarian Gopalji Mandania. He and his core team have taken every effort to give us best training and guidance. His every step shows the love and care of all the president and club. He has wonderful skill to boost the spirit of Rotary among us. Under his guidance and our members' cooperation, together we will achieve the goal. With the dedication and commitment of every Rotarian, the wheel of Rotary keep moving forward. Our current club strength is 75 members. We assure you of minimum 20% membership growth this year. Sir, I am very proud that we have one major donor, past President Rotarian Ramesh Shetty, and four Paul Harris Society members from our club who contribute $1,000 each every year. Sir, I am very happy to announce that in the Pratham year, 2 members are going to become major donor and 1 Paul Harris Society member who will commit to contribute. We also commit to contribute $100 per capita to the Rotary Foundation. रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चल के समुंदर भी आएगा। थक कर न बैठे मंजिल के मुसाफिर, थक कर न बैठे मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा। Friends, we are prepared now with lot of training and knowledge. It is said that knowledge is power. However, it is half truth. It is sense that it is a potential power, and it become a power only when it is put into practice. This year, district thrust area are diabetics awareness and prevention, pediatric heart surgery, Nityam school toilet block, and railway station adoption. With our energetic and enthusiastic team, we have already started planning and preparing to cover all these trust areas. I request Dr. Tanvi to run the PPT of our plans. First, under diabetic awareness and prevention, we have planned to conduct 7 camps on 25th September in association with various NGOs and our partners in service. Our club's target is scanning more than 1,500 persons. Under Nityam school toilet block, we are committed to build at least 1 toilet seat. Under railway station adoption, we have many plans like tree plantation in surrounding areas of our station, beautification of station, cleanliness drive. We also have planned to create awareness and encourage safety. Along with planning project of district thirst area, we have many other projects in pipeline like under service 16, women empowerment, 4-wheeler driving training to poor needy women. We will assist them in financing for commercial passenger vehicle like rickshaw or Tata Magic. Self-defense training to 500 college girls. Mahila Bachat Gat exhibition and promotion of their product. Children Day celebration with specially able children. Then we will have different projects for new generation. Rotary Youth Leadership Award, RILA, sports tournament, educational tour for school student, mountaineering, inter-college elocation competition. Apart from this, we will continue to conduct our club brand project like Mega Monsoon Cycle. Mega Monsoon Cycle Rally with the theme of Keep Away from Diabetes. Under Medical Avenue, blood donation camp on 1st July and 1st January. 100 cataract operations, our senior member, Rotary Dilip Ghaswala, has committed to sponsor rupees 1 lakh for this project. I request Rotary Dilip Bhai Ghaswala to rise and get recognized. I request Rotary Dilip Ghaswala to rise and recognize. 3 days mega medical camp. We are host club under service 16. Medical camp for Adivasi boys and girls hostel. Child and maternal health care, Bhopoli. Medical camp for senior citizen. And of course, how can I forget about our pride of our club, our flagship project, Palghar Rotary Dialysis Center. We will continue to give subsidized dialysis to needy patients. Next year is the centennial year of Rotary Foundation. We will attend Rotary centennial race by large number. We will also celebrate it by organizing drawing competition in school. Next. Sir, I am proud to inform you that our 17 members have registered for RI Convention, Atlanta, USA. I request Chairman Past President Suresh Kewat to rise and get recognized. Suresh. Tanvi, next. Next. Our major project, Mobile Science Laboratory at Vikramgarh. As you all are aware that there is no science laboratory in the school which are in the interior area like Vikramgarh. This program is designed to equip a team of instructors with mobile laboratory who will go from village classroom to village classroom conducting workshop. This workshop will bring experiential learning to the rural classroom. Mobile science program is a small step in improving education for poor kids in India. We are at the initial stage of working of this project with the help of Rotary Club of Lake Oswego, USA, Real and MLA Dhawale Trust. The total cost of project is rupees 38 lakhs. This is our project of global grant. We are working hard and this project, and very soon we will submit the project for global grant. Our focus will be on doing project under all avenue of service. Along with this project, we will do many need-based and community-oriented project which will have a lasting impact. In Pratham year, we along with Rotary Club of Palghar and Innerville Club of Palghar will work hand in hand to facilitate each other's project and events and make the year where we can proudly say Rotary serving humanity. सड़क कितनी भी साफ हो, धूल तो हो ही जाती है। इंसान कितना भी अच्छा हो, भूल तो हो ही जाती है। तो मैं ईश्वर से इतनी प्रार्थना करूंगा, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमज़ोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। थैंक यू। So friends, with your kind permission, I am happy to introduce our board for the year 2016-17. I request District Governor Gopalji to pin up them. IPP, okay, हाँ चलेगा. IPP Dr. Sanjay Dange, okay. Secretary Amit Patil. President-elect Ninad Save. Vice President Mayur Kashikar. Vice President Mayur Kashikar. Joint Secretary Yogesh Akrekar. Joint Secretary Yogesh Akrekar. Club and Trust Treasurer Arun Patil. Club and Trust Treasurer Arun Patil. Sergeant at Arms Past President Deepak Chintaman Savle. Membership Ninal Shah. Membership Director Ninal Shah. Ninal Jaldi. Club Administration Rafiq Lulania. Past President Rafiq Lulania. Public Relation Past President Suresh Kevat. Public Relation Past President Suresh Kevat. New Generation Ganesh Guge. New Generation Ganesh Guge. Sir, please. Service Project Medical Rafiq Dhada. Service Project Non-Medical Nilesh Sankhe. Service Project Vocational Bhushan Save. Service Project International Jayesh Award. Rotary Foundation Past President Padam Sharma. Past President Harip Dhanani and Past President Ajit Dubey. Club Advisor Past President Harip Dhanani and Past President Ajit Dubey. Club Trainer Past President Milind Patil. Club Trainer Past President Milind Patil. Chairman of important committee.
रुकिए सर.
The administrator, Dr. Jagdish Bhanarwal. Service 16, Dr. Manish Timbre. Palghar Rotary Dialysis Center, past President Nalin Shah. Portfolio, Devendra Singh Shekhawat. Rotary Forest Area, School, Rajendra Patil. Rotary Hemant Walia, and Rotary Community and Medical Center, Dipesh Thakur. Rotary Community and Medical Center, Dipesh Thakur. And Fellowship, Dr. Kaushal Patel.